Welcome back, everybody, and this is part 2 of our Fusion 360 tutorial on modeling a building. And once again, just a reminder, this is a conceptual model and not necessarily a full-blown BIM model like you would do in Revit. So as we move into part 2, in our first part, we covered exterior walls, and we did a rectangular structure, like a bungalow, so a small home for 1 or 2 people. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about modeling the walls. And this is fairly straightforward. It's almost going to look like a maze. But to start things off, I do have a sketch here. So I've sketched out a floor plan. You'll notice I don't have any thickness to the walls. That's going to have an effect. All right, these are all nominal dimensions, meaning they're basic dimensions. And if you look in here, we've got a couple different living areas. Right now, we have a bedroom. We have what's going to become a bathroom. We have a closet. All right. We have a kitchen. We have our main living area. And in that living area, we have a small closet that will go into the living area. And then the other closet down here is for the bedroom. All right. So we've got these areas, and then we have a small hallway or a central area in there. We are trying to follow basic ADA guidelines here. So we're going to make sure that at least the hallways are 3 feet. Technically, the doorways should also be 36 inches. I haven't decided yet what those will be, but we'll see. Okay, this is a small dwelling. 18 feet by 25 feet is not a large house. All right, but notice that we do have a sketch set out. This should make our wall designs much easier when we go into Fusion. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're back in Fusion, and we have our exterior walls. And again, our interior dimensions are 18 feet by 25 feet. And we want to go ahead and set up to do our interior walls. Now, it would be very easy to make the mistake of just plopping walls in here as it is, and that would all be one component. So that we can work on different sections, let's go ahead and create another component. So I'm going to go up to the Create tab, choose New Component, and notice that over here we are under our main component. So let's choose Interior Walls. We can identify those and click OK. So at this point, we've got exterior walls and we've got interior walls, which have yet to be designed. Now, to keep things kind of congruent and going in the same direction that we want to go, we could start back on our XY plane, but so that we can reference our geometry that is these exterior walls, we're going to use our view cube and flip the building up, and we're going to create the sketch off the bottom of the exterior walls. Now, right now, it's flipped upside down. Don't make this mistake. Notice it says bottom. If I flip it home, it reversed and then choose top. My suggestion is, just like you would on an actual floor plan, draw from the top down. And you'll notice, because of the way we set up the sketch, I can still reference my exterior dimensions. Okay, that's important. Now, the nice thing about interior walls is that we can use 2-point rectangles to establish positions and wall thickness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose 2-point rectangle. And on my sketch that I showed earlier, let's just start off with something simple like the kitchen. So I'm going to come off of here. I've got it snapped to that, and I'm going to pull a wall down some random dimension. And on my sketch, it does say 8 feet, so I'm going to type in 8, and I'm going to hit Tab. And remember, now I need inches. I'm going to use a 5-inch wall, so I'm going to say 5 IN. That gives me my 5-inch wall. Now what I want to do is I want to position that. So I use sketch dimension, pick the interior wall, and we know from our sketch that this is supposed to be, I believe it's 12 feet. Yes, it is. So 12 feet. Hit enter. Now we've got our very first wall positioned. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to set up my wall in the hallway. And we're going to establish a 3-foot dimension in between the hallway walls. So let's choose 2-point rectangle. And this time, based on my sketch, this wall will continue in line the whole way across the house. So we're going to select that. I'm going to tab and type in 5 inches for the width and click OK. And then I'm going to set this dimension between this wall and this wall as 3 feet. And we've got that one selected. And then we're going to continue on setting up our walls. And I'm not going to talk through the whole thing as far as dimensions go. I'm just going to start placing these. Now that we've completed our floor plan, as we can see here, I went in and added some extra walls. So just like my sketch, I've got the walls for the kitchen, which is going to be in here, our main living area. We have a closet, we have a hallway, we have what will become the bathroom, our bedroom. Down in here, it looks like there's a wall there. This is just a dimension. In fact, let's go ahead and move that. Here we go. We did outline the doorway for the bedroom. We've got the closet for the living space, and we've got the closet for the bedroom. All right. Now that we have those walls in place, we're going to select Finish Sketch. We're going to flip this up so we can see them, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to extrude our walls to an 8-foot height. So again, nominal 8 feet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to extrude those up. Notice it's showing a negative right now, but negative 8 feet. Hit enter. And we've created our interior walls inside of our home. So you're going to go ahead and do that with your own project. Your walls are not going to be the same as mine, but this will give you an idea of how to select your interior walls. And again, if we turn our master radio button on and select home, we've got our exterior walls, and then a foot lower, we have our interior walls. Okay, we've not applied doorways yet. That's going to happen next, but you get the sense of how we're going to do that. So go ahead and complete that step.